Welcome to Around the World channel. Google updating the default Pixel ringtone, notification, and alarm sounds with Android 12 to 9to5 Google. Besides wallpapers, Google lets owners customize the Pixel experience by making available a large collection of ringtones, notification, and alarm sounds. Rents are out of reach for most Americans earning minimum wage, a study says, NPR. A new study says on average someone would have to earn $24.90 per hour to rent a modest two-bedroom home on no more than 30% of their pay. That's far more than the federal minimum wage. Tiger King star Joe Exotic's prison sentenced vacated. Court orders resentencing, Fox News. An Oklahoma district court vacated Tiger King docuseries star Joe Exotic's prison sentence Wednesday and ordered his resentencing, court filings obtained by Fox News show. China's GDP grew 7.9% in the second quarter. Retail sales beat expectations, CNBC. A McDonald's delivery worker walks past pig statues outside an art museum in Beijing on July 10, 2021. Randi Weingarten claims, millions will die as DeSantis sells anti-Fauci merchandise, Fox News. Prominent Teachers Union President Randi Weingarten went hyperbolic with her condemnation of Republican Florida Gov. 911 calls describe scenes before Richard Sherman's arrest, USA Today. The wife of Richard Sherman said in a 911 call that the star NFL cornerback had been drinking and was threatening to harm himself. Surfside building collapse. Victims' relatives react to judge allowing process to sell property, WPLG Local 10. Surfside, Florida. Martin Legisfeld is grieving the loss of his 26-year-old sister and his 28-year-old brother-in-law. Crews recovered their remains a week ago. Alabama military base orders troops to show vaccination proof amid increased COVID-19 cases, The Hill. Troops at an Alabama military base have been ordered to show proof that they've been vaccinated to be able to go without face masks on the premise. They're not going to King succeed. Top generals feared Trump would attempt a coup after election, according to new book, CNN. Washington, CNN, the top U.S. military officer, chairman of the Joint Chiefs General Mark Milley, was so shaken that then-President Donald Trump and his allies might attempt a coup or take other dangerous